Welcome back to the channel Data with Ritika. You're watching Data Engineering Fundamentals, where we'll start with the very basics. Today let's discuss about what is data, types of data, and what are the different sources of data and why data is important. Every time you search on Google, order food online, swipe a credit card, or just like a post on Instagram, you're generating something incredibly valuable, that is data. In fact, over 400 million terabytes of data are created every single day. But what exactly is data, and why do companies spend millions and billions of dollars managing it? And why is understanding data the very first step towards becoming a data engineer, a data analyst, or an AI engineer? In this video, we'll break down what data is, different types of data, and how organizations use it to make decisions worth millions of dollars. Data is simply a collection of facts, observations, or measurements. By itself, any single value like 25 or Bangalore or your name doesn't tell us much. But when combined and organized, data becomes meaningful information. Think of data as a raw ingredients of a recipe. Just like sugar, butter, flour become a cake, raw data becomes insights when processed correctly, and these insights can be very valuable for any business. Every company today runs on data. Banks use it to detect fraud, Netflix uses it to recommend movies, Amazon uses it to suggest products, and hospitals to improve the patient care. Broadly, we have three types of data: unstructured, semi-structured, and structured data. Unstructured data has no predefined format. Images, videos, social media posts, emails, PDFs, CCTV footage all fall under this category, where they don't have any defined structure. Surprisingly, more than 80% of the world's data is unstructured. This is also a type of data fueling modern artificial intelligence systems. When ChatGPT reads documents or when facial recognition systems identify people, they are processing the unstructured data. Next is the semi-structured data. Semi-structured data doesn't fit perfectly into rows and columns, but still contains labels and structure. Popular examples include JSON, XML, and API responses. When a mobile application communicates with a backend service, the information is often exchanged in JSON format. Modern data engineering platforms like Spark and Databricks, they process huge amounts of semi-structured data every day. The most readable format of data is the structured data. Structured data follows a predefined format. It is organized into rows and columns and fits neatly inside databases. Think about customer records, employee information, sales transactions, or banking data. Because the structure is known in advance, computers can easily search, filter, and analyze this data. Structured data is the easiest type of data to work with and forms the foundation of traditional data warehouses. Another way to classify data is by its source, that is, where it comes from. There can be different systems which can log different data. For example, CRM, which is the customer relationship management, which has the customer related data. The other is ERP, which is the enterprise resource planning, which manages the business operations. For example, it has the data related to orders, finance, inventory, manufacturing. The other could be POS, which has the data related to the sales transactions at the supermarkets or the pharmacies. Thank you so much for staying till here. I am Ritika and I'll meet you in my next video. To become a better data engineer, click that subscribe button and let's stay connected.